Okay, I've got a Kenmore washer and electric dryer. I'm going to show you here in just a minute, but we're going to start with the washer. Just going to show you as if you were standing here yourself testing this thing out before you take it home, plug it in. You want to make sure everything works good on it. It's nice, good shape, clean. All of those things you can see on this guy. So go ahead and pull this out. You can see that the water's pulling in. All of your switches here work. Change your water temperatures, all that's good. And you got the load size switch. So that's filling up good. And of course then you go over here and you'd want to check and make sure that that water's draining out. So you can hear the drain running. And we'll let it get up to speed on the spin cycle. And I'm going to lift the lid up here, which you're not really supposed to do, but it's got that safety switch on there. I'm going to show you that all that works. Another thing is, just so you can see that it's nice, smooth operation. Sounds good. There's no weird noises or anything like that. Okay, and we'll go ahead and open this up. You see it spinning nice and fast, and that lid switch works great. So there you have it. I've got to move this around a little bit, and then I'm going to show you that dryer. Show it heats properly and sounds good as well. So give me just a sec. Okay, and now we move over to the dryer here. Got a Kenmore dryer, electric, and just going to show you that it sounds great. So we'll go ahead and put it on, just time dry, high heat, hit start. As you can hear there, it sounds great, runs great, it's a nice smooth operation. And I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to also. So I got a little heat gun. Whatever this shines on, it's going to give you the surface temperature. So out here in the garage it's kind of cold. We'll open this up and shoot it right inside the heating element tube. You see plenty of heat coming out of there. Then the inside of your dryer can get anywhere from 105 all the way up to 195. Just kind of depends on what you have this heat setting set to and how large the load is. So we'll start that back up, and there you have it. Now you know when you take it home, plug it in, everything's going to work like it's supposed to. And we'll get this paired up with the washer here and get them listed for sale. Thanks.